Good evening everyone and welcome to my international teaching process. Today my topic is MCQ on Gestalt theory and many more other psychologist theory. So let's start the topic. I am Sudhanya Sen Gupta and welcome to my class. Who is well known for his modeling technique or technique of observational learning? So the option is I.P. Pavlov, J.V. Watson, B.F. Skinner and Albert Bandura. So the right answer will be Albert Bandura. So now the question is, who is Albert Bandura? Albert Bandura's views of the learning emphasize that importance of the observing, modeling and the imitating the behaviors, attitude and the emotional reaction to the others. उन्होंने मॉडलिंग के बारे में मॉडल बना के, जैसे कि हम लोग टीचर टेक्निक में डिफरेंट मॉडल बनाते हैं, दैट इज उसके साथ उसका इमोशन, जो स्टूडेंट बनाते हैं उसका इमोशन, बिहेवियर, सब कुछ, एटीट्यूड, सब कुछ ऑब्जर्व करने के लिए उन्होंने बोले हैं। तो इससे क्या होता है, इससे टेक्निक ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशनल लर्निंग, इसको टेक्निक ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशनल लर्निंग बोलते हैं, ताकि अगर आप खुद से कोई मॉडल बनाते हैं उसमें आपका एक अलग सा सुकून होता है, तो स्टूडेंट के मन में भी अलग सा एक सुकून होता है कि हाँ, मैंने इसके ऊपर मैंने कुछ बनाया। Who claim to learning to two basic sources, response consequences and the modeling. So here also the answer will be Albert Bandura. You know all about the Albert Bandura. I am already talking about in previous slide. Albert Bandura viewed that the learning is not limited to the response consequence, but most of the learning is acquired through the trial and error, conditioning, identification and modeling. The answer will be modeling. So the modeling concept क्या है? Modeling concept has specific steps of the modeling process is attention, retention, reproduction and motivation. Modeling क्या है? चार चीजों को modeling डिस्क्राइब करता है। दैट इज, पहले तो अटेंशन दे के आपको मॉडल बनाना पड़ता है, दैट इज रिटेंशन, दिस इज रिप्रोडक्शन आप खुद से रिप्रोडक्शन कर रहे हैं, एंड मोटिवेशन, इसके मॉडल कोई भी मॉडल बनाने के लिए मोटिवेशन का बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होता है। Here you can see the Albert Bandura's theory. मैंने नेट से एक अच्छा सा एक मॉडल मैंने देखा है जो आप लोगों को समझ में आए, दैट इज द बिहेवियर, एनवायरमेंटल फैक्टर्स, पर्सनल फैक्टर्स। पर्सनल फैक्टर्स में कॉग्निटिव, एफेक्टिव एंड बायोलॉजिकल इवेंट्स भी हो सकता है। Any reinforcement obtained through the direct experience is known as the external reinforcement. So external reinforcement जो है, that is what is the external reinforcement? External reinforcement जो होता है, जो बाहर से जो होता है, बाहर से जो हम लोग डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस हम लोग जो करते हैं उसको ही हम लोग एक्सटर्नल रेनफोर्समेंट हम लोग बोल सकते हैं। जैसे यहाँ पर एक्सटर्नल रेनफोर्समेंट, यहाँ पर क्या है, प्रेजेंट प्रोडक्ट्स कैलकुलेटर, ट्रैक बिहेवियर एनालिटिक्स, एंड यहाँ पर आर द प्रोडक्ट्स इज राइट फॉर मी, व्हाट एल्स इज अवेलेबल, ये प्रोडक्ट क्या मेरे लिए सही है, अगर ये सही नहीं है तो इसके अलावा भी और क्या प्रोडक्ट है, विच फीचर आई डू नीड मोस्ट, कौन सा फीचर मुझे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, डज माई करंट प्रोडक्ट पोर्टफोलियो अफेक्ट्स प्राइस और वैल्यू, मेरे जो करंट प्रोडक्ट पोर्टफोलियो है वो प्राइस को क्या इफेक्ट कर रहा है, क्या ज़्यादा प्राइस हो रहा है जिसको हम एफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते, लाइक दिस इज द एक्सटर्नल reinforcement. So learning through observational consequences of the other's behavior is called, that is the vicarious experience. What is vicarious experience? Is the phenomena of the observing another and the feeling what they feel. As human, we are the social animals and most develop the capacity to emphasize with the others. Gestalt psychology is a German school founded by the Max Webermann, Who is Max Wedemann? That is, he is Austro-Hungarian psychologist who was the one of the three founder of the Gestalt psychologists. He born on 15th April 1880 and died in 12th October 1943. Experiment on apparent movement served the basis of the foundation of behaviorism, structuralism, gestalt psychology, and phenomenology. So the answer will be structuralism. Structuralism क्या है? Structuralism is the general theory of the culture, of the methodology, of the emphasis of the element of the human culture. The word configuration had been the frequently used of the nearest translation of person, mover, gesture and psycho. That is, the answer will be gesture. Gesture के कौन थे? Gesture is a German psychologist, and they roughly mean that is the configuration or the way of the things are the put together to forms and all will and of the object. The problem of how various elements are organized to the wholes of the central theme for that is the Gestalt psychology. Who developed the concept of the creative synthesis, which fact of the recognize of the difference between the wholes and the sum of their parts? That is the Wilhelm Wundt. Who is Wilhelm Wundt? That is he is orienting in the work of the Max Wedemark Gestalt psychology formed in the part of the response of the structuralism and the structuralism of the Wilhelm Wundt. So, question will be the concept of the mental chemistry was developed by John Stuart Mill. Mental chemistry क्या है? John Stuart Mill is a British philosopher. Mental chemistry with the respect of the idea was not the simply building on the ideas. Not only that, it is opposed to the collection of the idea already held to the previously proposed. Research workers on the concept of the figure and ground were mainly advanced by the Rubin. That is, figure and ground क्या है? Figure and ground perception holds, that is, we tend to the separate images into the figure or the object and the ground or the background. An instrumental which is allows to the still picture of the exposed alternatively in such a way that we perceive motion in the pictures is called, that is the stroboscope. Stroboscope क्या है? Is an instrumental used to the make a cyclically movement object appear to the slow moving or stationary. In the year 1910, the psychologist was traveling from the Vienna to Germany in train for the holiday. He left his train at Frankfurt and stopped at a place to purchase a toy stroboscope. With the help of the stroboscope, he made several observations and finally concluded that we perceived did not necessarily confirm that that was really found in the environment. This idea was perhaps the starting points of the Gestalt psychology. Who was the psychologist? The psychologist is Max Wedemark. Max Wedemark is concluded the series of the experimental to the providing the scientific explanation of, that is, the apparent movement. What is apparent movement? Wedemark published, that is, the monograph on the perception of apparent motion in 1912, which is initiated a new direction for a great deal of the subsequent, that is the perpetual theory and the research. The result of the Wedemark's experiment of the perception were published in the 1912. The illusion of the apparent of the movement is came to known as the phi phenomenon. phi phenomenon or phi phenomenon क्या है? Is an illusion of the movement that arises when the stationary objects like bulbs. Who has done to the research of the work to the apes in the island of the Tenerife? So the answer will be Kurt Kofka. Kofka कौन है? That is the German psychologist and the professor. He was born and educated in the Berlin in Germany. He was born in 17th March in 1986, died in 22nd November in 1941. Who has written the book of the Mentally of Apes? So the answer will be the Wolfgang Kohler. So who is Wolfgang Kohler? He is a German psychologist and phenomenologist. He born on 21st January 1887 and died in 11th June 1967. Gesell believed that there is one relationship between the physical events and the psychological events. This is known as the constancy hypothesis. So, what is constancy hypothesis? Constancy is the point-to-point point-to-point correspondence between the physical characteristics of the stimulus and the psychological attributes of the resulting of the state. Of the sensations. So the experiment on apparent movement served the basis of the foundation of behaviorism, structuralism, gesture psychology, and phenomenology. So the answer will be structuralism. Structuralism क्या है? Structuralism is the general theory of the culture, of the methodology, of the emphasis of the element of the human culture. So that's all for now. Thank you so much. Please keep watching and please subscribe my channel. मैं और भी MCQs लेके आप लोगों के सामने आऊंगी. So till then, goodbye.